Hello everyone, I'm Ismail Ouha.
محسن بن
أنا الزناقي.
We are a software engineering students at Faculty of Sciences and Technologies, Tanger. Today, we will show you our new project of IoT, Internet of Things, Smart Parking. This project consists to automate the process of managing a parking using a camera. This camera scans the registration number of a car and check his subscription validity.
During this project, we was used a lot of materials such as servo motor, Arduino, Raspberry, and camera. The combination of all these things help us to develop and release this project.
So right now we will represent to you an overview about the architecture of our project, where we will talk about all the features and functionalities used through this project explicitly.
Welcome to our IoT Parking Management System. For an overview, our project automates parking using Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Flask API. For hardware components, we use Arduino that control the barrier and Raspberry Pi that process data from the camera. For the software components, we use Fichier.py that integrates OpenCV, request, and pyserial. For the workflow of our project, firstly we have camera input that capture car registration via Raspberry Pi. Secondly, we have Fichier.py execution that process image and send a request to Flask API. Third, we have Flask API verification that verify car status and make a decision. And finally, we have Arduino decision that open or close the barrier based on Flask or on Flask API response. Conclusion: seamlessly integrating hardware and software, our system transforms parking management with efficiency and intelligence. So, thank you for joining our IoT journey. Stay tuned for more innovations for parking automation. So, actually, we will explain to you how we can manage the smart parking. First of all, we must to authenticate as an admin. After that, we will redirect to the home page or the dashboard of admin where we can or you can to see everything related to the smart parking. Here you can, as an admin, you can see from the right side a camera for watching or controlling any movement of a car, either entered or exit. On the left side, we have a box that displays the information of a car entered or exit like the matricle, client name, etc. We're gonna show you now a demo for a car has already created with a valid subscription. Will enter and exit successfully without any issue. By scan his registration number and we'll check his validity. Then we'll make a decision by opening the barrier and his information will display automatically at the dashboard of the admin in real time. And actually, we will show you a simulation of a car has expired subscription. Right now, we will update and modify the subscription of that car for making it able to access the parking successfully. Actually, a car not found at the system will try to access to the parking but he rejected. That's why we have to create it with his owner and system to allow it for accessing the parking. As a client, you must be authenticated, then you can consult his cards with subscription if it's valid or expired in dashboard, or for a specific card by clicking and show details. You can also click download a PDF file that contains all the transactions have done, or by sending it via email for checking it later. And finally, we will thank you very much for watching. And if you have any question or something else, you can to follow us and contact us via these links of our accounts in GitHub.